Hiya. Today I found a window lock that holds shutters down, and I've got my homemade tension wrench twisted, and I've got my nice pick. So I'm going to try and pick it now, see if I can pick it open. See if I can get you guys a look. There we go. And now just putting slight tension on, and I'm working every pin up. There we go, got it. Until you get that. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pin lock as well. 5 pin lock. If any of you guys out there are interested, let me know and I'll post it off to you and you can have a go. Nice one.